The reason why I'm here is because where is the ombudsvrouw? We are so proud that Aruba got an ombudsvrouw after 17 years. Despues de 7 anos. Jadi tremendo. Pero unda eta kinder ombudsvrouw ta keda. Paso mi mesting carta nan pa entregar. E mi sa e pueblo tambe ting hopi carta pa entregar. Where is the ombudsvrouw? And where is the kinder ombudsvrouw? And I will go to now English and papiamento. I lived 30 years in the Netherlands. And the reason why I went to the gevolmachtigde minister at the time was now is the governor. The gevolmachtigde minister at the time signed for 300 books to come to Aruba for school children. Pens, pencils, 300 pens and pencils, also school bags. I'm very grateful to him at the time. Now he's governor. I had a phone call with the Netherlands, with the government in the Netherlands, the ambtenaar, they call it like that. And they gave me the advice to write the governor a letter about the situation, about the ombudsvrouw. Why isn't there ombudsvrouw yet for Aruba while she was installed since the 1st of October? I mean, tachete luna wo. Itambe, maar skibi e carta, tawata positivo, maar hanya cita dosiman pasaku e governador, su directeur. Inang tambe, tanya estranho com bing, e no por abri, su oficina aina. Una e kinder ombudsvrouw tambe, a keda. E nang tambe, tabay hanya cita kune, pa dune e carta aqui, persona den Aruba que entregar nang carta tocante quehonang e tambe pa San Nicolas. Igualdad pa San Nicolas tambe. E pe mucha nang den San Nicolas. Awe mainta, tão bonita dia, pa bem na nos grande nang. Pero que dia, nos pabisa pa bem na mucha nang, kuta ba escola, sin come, kuta biba den pobreza, ku não tem nada pi come, kuta kana kaya, ku sapato nang kibra, paia nang kibra. Nos mucha nang e hobe nang ta biba den pobreza. E Deus bendicionar nang, para todo mundo nang e hobe nang de Aruba, pero também San Nicolas. Igualdade para San Nicolas.